Joy Palaboy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do our first ever unboxing. I'm gonna show you my not so new Nike Borough Low 2 GS. Not only unboxing, we will also make a short review of the item that we have today. And yeah, let's check it out. What we have here is a Nike Borough Low 2 GS. So this is not so new. I mean, we bought this long time ago, but I haven't worn yet. So we bought this in Nike shop in Dubai City Center for only 249 AED. I'm gonna add a conversion on the text below. This is kid size 5Y. Okay, so just so you know, every time I will buy shoes like Jordans, I prefer to have the kid size because of course of the size, and the price is lower than the adults. So we'll see. Okay, let's open the box. Where's the shoes? Here. Let's open it. Wow! Here. This sneakers is a lightweight and comfortable kicks. These shoes boast a leather upper in a lifestyle fashion sneaker style with a round toe. Here we have here the lace up closure. Okay. The Nike swoosh and logo details. We have here a padded collar. Let's remove this. Okay, a padded collar here, padded collar and a padded tongue for a very nice fit. We have stitch midsole here, and it's got a breathable mesh lining and a mesh footbed to provide all-day comfort here inside. And it sits on a full-length rubber outsole that grips surface for durable traction here. So now let's try to wear this since I haven't tried it. So there you have it, guys. We are now done with our unboxing and the short review for my new Nike Borough Low 2. Look at my view now. Look at the view. Isn't it beautiful? Like my shoes. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming video. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye!